Good morning. Happy Friday. This is how Pooh is like, baby, it's time to get up. I have definitely overslept. It is already 7:15. I just snoozed and snoozed and snoozed. Whew, child. No working from home today because I worked from home on Monday. And this is why I think we should be able to work from home 2 days a week. Because there's always 2 days that I'm tired and want to stay home. But Pooh is like, it's time to get up, baby. Baby. So let's get to it, you guys. Let's put together a little look and get dressed and feed the dog and go into the office and see the aftermath of yesterday. Oh, I sound awful, but hey, Pooh, what you want to say to the people, Pooh? It's Friday. This is the Friday we'd been looking for, the one we'd been working towards. Pooh, how you feeling? How you feeling? He feels wonderful too, y'all. Let's go. I'm going to show you my look of the day. My hair is so big. I'm loving it today. We are breaking records out here in Houston. It is so hot, but it's December 10th and I need to wear like my winter clothes. So I have this sweater on pulled up because baby, yesterday we broke a high temperature of the day record. It was 85 degrees. And I think today it's supposed to be like 86. Y'all, it is burning up in H-Town. Like, it is literally H as in hot as hell town right now. But I am going to change into this Coach shoulder hobo bag that I bought the last time I went to the outlet. You would have saw it if you saw my Q&A I'm back video. I have never carried this bag, but I think she's really good for today because after work, if I want to go get drinks, if I want to move around, she's great. I have her on the shortest length right now because I like, like a crook of the arm or like top handle, and this is so easy, like as just a top handle bag, but I can extend it and then it's even more comfortable as a shoulder bag. But I'm trying to go through my bag collection with you guys and keep my promise even though I'm tired. My first meeting is at 9:30. It's with finance, so it's about 8:25 right now. I need to get along, but I'm going to put my stuff in this bag and then show you my outfit of the day, which will be no surprise if you watched my Let's Get Dressed video, because I'm definitely sticking to the rack and wearing what I chose for Friday. Look of the day. Big fro, loving it. Makeup today is just filled in my brows, mascara, and lip gloss because I am putting my mask back on after these 3 days of presentations with no mask and dealing with all these people with no mask. This is not me, boo. I'm a masker. I mask up. I suggest you do the same, even though I have had not one, not two, but 3 shots already. I am not playing around with any type of illness because, as I keep saying, I don't have time to be sick. Definitely loving the window pane plaid sweater from J. Crew. The pants came from Ann Taylor. This yellow belt came from Nordstrom. These yellow shoes are by Mark Fisher. Got them during the pandemic. Love them, but I do think block heels are just too heavy, even when they're low, so I don't plan on buying any more, to be honest. But I do like my sunshine on a winter day outfit theme that I put together. Also, carrying for the first time my Coach shoulder bag. Loving her. I just feel like she's like, really, I bought her to be a handheld, to be honest. But she could be a cute little shoulder bag. But this is what I'm going to carry her, how I'm going to carry her. My work bag that I've been carrying almost every day for 2 weeks with my laptop in it is the Coach Field Tote 40. And might have a review for that one very soon as a in the office work bag every day. So loving this one. I'll let you know how my little Coach hobo goes, but she fit every single thing that I needed her to fit. Everything that went in my Philip Pashley that I need on a daily went into this one. She's a trooper, loving the baby blue, braided whip stitch details, gold hardware. Let's get to work, y'all. They're already messaging me.